For our little person, I've taken a 5-inch round imprint smiley face. You can buy these with various faces printed on them, smiley faces, vampires, ghosts, and things. Or you can take a 5-inch round and inflate it and just draw a face if you don't want to use an imprint. I've inflated this to about 3.5 inches or so. And then for our body, we're going to take a 2/6. I've inflated it with about a 4-inch tail on it. We're going to start by making about a 4-inch bubble. We're going to make 2 small little 1/2-inch bubbles, just like that. And then another bubble the same size as this one here. Twist those all together. Be sure to tuck your knot through to make sure that it's going to stay. Now we'll make a little small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. Another small 1/2-inch bubble, and that too will become a pinch twist. Twist those together, just like that. Now for our body, we want to make sure that it's a little longer, so you want to come down just past where his hands are. Twist a bubble there. Now we're going to make 2 more pinch twists, so make a small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. Another small 1/2-inch bubble. Make that a pinch twist. And then pull it down around. That will be his hips. For his legs, make about a 4-inch bubble. A 1/2-inch bubble, make that into a pinch twist. 2 1-inch bubbles for his feet. Twist those together. And then coming back up along, we want 1 more bubble, the same size as that last one. So take and pinch that off and twist that in around those hips once or twice. And this excess we're going to pop off. I'm going to twist a small bubble on there on the end of it. Take my scissors and just snip that. Let the air out of the remaining part and then just wrap that around there once or twice to secure it really good. Now if we'll take and straighten him up, his hips right, his feet turn the right way. You take his arms and pull that upper body through a little bit, so now you've got his 2 arms coming down the side with his hands there. And then attach his head into these 2 pinch twists that we have at the top. Wrap that around once or twice. And you've got a fairly quick and simple little person.